Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ATNM, SPY, QQQ, MMTLP, GDVM, WLAN, CGRA, STRY, and EMGE. But before we get into that, with a few housekeeping issues to go over, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer, InsiderFinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also click the link in the description to sign up for all of our alerts. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And also, after you sign up in the welcome email, you can download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook covers a lot of the strategies that I talk about in these YouTube videos. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, well, our Monday alert was ATNM, and that turned out to be a multi-day runner. Opened at $9.65 on Monday, hit $14.79 for potential gains of 53%. Congrats to all who are banking in ATNM. In this market, we will take it. So again, as I said, it's harder to find the triple-digit runners, but you get these nice double-digit runners. We will take it. And the best part is ATNM has been a multi-day runner, so gave you plenty of opportunities to play it if you were swing trading and buying dips, selling rips. But the big news today, and I talked about that in last night's video, was the FOMC decision. Going over here, we look at my chart setups on day trades. I talked about how to play this with TQQ, SQQ, SPXL, and XPXS. And as you can see, typical Fed day, you get the knee-jerk reaction. This was the move here at 2 o'clock when the announcement hit, and then you got that run on the this one here is TQQ, and that's the long leverage long ETF for the QQQ, and then the SQQ is the leverage short, so bearish for the QQQ. So again here, knee-jerk reaction, you got the sell-off down up to 52, and then you got the rally throughout the day. And, you know, I told everyone that I was not bullish or bearish going into it. I was going to play the market reaction with either SPY 380 puts, also for options traders, and SPY 390 calls. The 380 puts were at $1.50. The 390 calls were at 91 cents. Both expired today. The 380 puts, which I played, closed at $5.32 for gains of 254%. So, you know, if you don't like playing options, you don't like those types of gains, which I'd be shocked if you don't like those types of gains. Again, as I said, you know, you could play it with the leveraged ETFs. But looking at the press conference, I mean, there was just not a lot to like. Powell just basically had nothing good to say. We don't need inflation to come down a slow pace of increases. Oh, this is, he goes by Walter Bloomberg at Delta One on Twitter. Real-time alerts, real-time news as it's happening. This is the best data feed on Twitter for real-time news at Delta One Walter Bloomberg. So go and check that out. You guys, it's all free on Twitter. You don't need to go and pay a bunch of money unless Elon's going to start putting everything behind a paywall, which I doubt it. He's just going to make the blue checks pay. But basically, pal, significant uncertainty around that level of rates. At some point will become appropriate to slow pace of rate hikes. What does that mean? Does he drive the economy into a recession, hard landing? Before he does that, data suggests we may ultimately move to higher levels than we thought at September meeting. That means a higher Fed funds rate. Speed is becoming less important now. Time to slow rate hikes. So that means maybe instead of 75 basis points, he'll do 50 basis points. Fed's pal don't think we have over tightened. He said also last year inflation was transitory. And then he says here, short-term inflation expectations moved up, may affect wages. If we over-tighten, great. Thank the economy. We can use our tools to respond. So, and then it's premature to think about a pause. Again, not a lot to get excited about. But again, I made money. You just trade the momentum. Like I said, this is my setup on TradingView. I think it's pretty clear for you guys. It's easy day trades. I don't take, when it comes to these leveraged ETFs, I don't take position long term. It's either day trades or swing trades. I'm out right now. I traded it, made money today, so I am extremely happy and moving on. Speaking of making money, we have a new Nasdaq profile for subscribers tomorrow. This one is super thin with just a 2 million share float according to FinViz, and trades at just 12 times earnings and 0.89 times book. Click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups at insiderfinancial.com. We will be releasing this full report before the opening bell. We're going to try and do it before 9 a.m., putting the finishing touches on this report. That's why we have a late video tonight. So again, our last one, big runner, up 53%. This one here, as we see it, is going to be the next multi-day runner here on the Nasdaq. Moving on, let's go back to the main chart. Four that I talked about in last night's videos, MMTLP, GDVM, WLAN, WLAN up 20%, continuing its run. CGRA, unchanged basically. We are out with a new article today, 4 hot OTC stocks, MMTLP, GD, you got that. So go ahead and read that article on insiderfinancial.com. It's all there in the description. It goes into details about all four. Gabby on Twitter, we tweeted this. She has a great due diligence set on GDVM DD thread. In my opinion, setting up nicely to merge with VMOS very soon. With the same news last year, JPEG saw a run of 6,000% between June and October before merger was blocked by a lawsuit and news broke about the deal not moving forward. So the CEO of VMOS is Melvin. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. He is basically taking control of GDVM, and I think he planned. The plan was to merge with JPEX. He was focusing on his business. Dealt with the shell guys there on JPEX. It didn't happen. I think he just got disgusted and said, "I'm going to do this myself," and that's what he's doing. The guy does not tweet a lot, as I talked about in the videos in the video last night. He's not a promotional OTC CEO. He's not like every other, 99% of them. He's been reducing the share count. He's cleaning it up. He's doing the right things. He's setting this one up to merge his I believe he's setting this up to merge with his company VMOS, and I think he's doing the right things here. So I have high hopes, and I like what I am seeing in GDVM from its CEO Melvin. Lastly, 2 plays for tomorrow. STRY, nice bounce today, but we're seeing more action in the after hours. They announced their earnings, but basically the exciting part here is, as announced earlier this week, we have retained PGT Partners to advise the company's board of directors on potential mergers and acquisitions, capital raising, and balance sheet solutions. So basically, they're getting ready to do some things here, clean up the balance sheet, possibly shop the company to be, you know, it says here when it says we proactively undertook significant cost-cutting measures. Translation, we are setting the company up to be sold in a buyout. So I think that's what's going to happen. So STRY should be on your radar screen for tomorrow. Lastly, an OTC play, nice action here, EMGE. We've covered this one a lot in the past. This one was a great runner over the summer. If you look at what's happening here, this one has just a $1.5 million market cap. There's been no dilution over the past 3 months. What we really like here is the CEO is Jim Morrison. He's a former L'Oreal senior executive. He's doing deals here. We're expecting big things to happen from him. The company's been relatively quiet, but there's nothing wrong with that. You know, key has been no dilution. They're focusing on building a business. Godfather Capital is out with a new update on it that he likes it again. Again, we do too. Low market cap, just 1.2 million. It's now 1.5 million. No dilution in the past 3 months. I think this is a great position for what they have going on. They haven't made any recent announcements since several acquisitions were finalized. The plan is clear and I like it, so I bought back in. So EMGE, Moon Market's been talking about this, so other people are picking up on this one. This one here looks to be a great setup. EMGE, if it's not on your radar, it should be. But guys, hope everyone banked today on FOMC. I asked if people wanted a live session. Only one person wanted that. So again, please leave a comment if you want me to do more live trading sessions. How else we can help you when you're trading. Again, we're here to provide as much education here as possible. We're not investment advisors, but if you're not already a subscriber, sign up. Subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering in our video. We have a great Nasdaq play for tomorrow. We think this is the next multi-day runner on the Nasdaq. So click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. And the best part is, guys, it is completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. We don't run any Discord groups. We don't run any Telegram or WhatsApp chat rooms. Everything we do is on our website, insiderfinancial.com, on our YouTube channel, on social media. But to get first look, you have to become a subscriber. With that being said, good luck tomorrow, everyone. Let's make some money, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video update. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.